Hello, welcome to my channel. On this video we're gonna discuss the following problem. We have an interesting puzzle here. So this problem is from Catriona Shearer, and you may see the collection of her problem from her Twitter account. So we have a regular octagon and we have two pink lines, and the pink line each of length 8, and we would like to compute the perimeter of the shaded octagon. Okay, so how can we start with this? Before we start with the problem, so I would suggest that you try by yourself first, and then after that we can discuss the problem together. So please pause the video for a moment and give it a try. Alright, let's begin. So we know that the length of the pink line is equal to 8, and it is easy to see that the length of the pink line is exactly the same as the length of this line, right? Which is again equal to the length of that segment. And notice that the last segment is nothing but the diagonal of the square. So recall that if we have a square of length A, then what is the length of its diagonal? It is, yes, A times square root of 2. Okay, so then from this information we know that the diagonal, which is A times square root of 2, is equal to the length of the pink line. So it is equal to 8. Therefore, A is 8 over square root of 2, which is the same as 4 times square root of 2. Okay, so now let's label the length of the square, the side of the square, to be A. It's A, this is also A, and that's A. So in order to compute its perimeter, the perimeter of the shaded region, which is an octagon, it is enough to compute this side and that side, because this one is exactly the same as above. Yeah. Okay. So we argue that this line segment is exactly half of A. Why is that? How do we know it is exactly half of A? Because this one and that one are exactly of the same length. So if we connect the two, it will coincide at the middle, right? But since this one is of length A, so this is half of A, this one, and this one is half of A as well. So the sum of the two is equal to A. Similarly, the sum of this segment and that segment is equal to A. Now, to compute the perimeter is quite easy. So we just need to see how many A's that we have. So the perimeter is equal to what? How many A's? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 of A. And since A is equal to 4 times square root of 2, therefore the perimeter is 24 square root of 2. And we are done. So that's it. Thank you for watching. See you again on the next video. Bye bye.